So welcome back to DHAM DIY. This is the new project we got going on. We just bought a house on 10 acres for $17,500. Now, of course we had to get a survey and do a little bit of other stuff. We got this thing dirt cheap, right? We got an incredible deal on it, and this is going to be taking up the majority of our time now. We just took out a gargantuan pile of items from inside of the house. We're going to go and show you that pile now. This was the gigantic mountain of trash that we just removed out of the home. We didn't catch it on camera, but that's probably better anyway. It's kind of sad seeing somebody's belongings, if they ever saw it on YouTube, getting ripped out of the house. So yeah, we went ahead and threw them all over here. We're going to be probably getting a dumpster when we can. We can get everything in one place and get the tractor out here, and we'll be able to get that loader and dump it out. But that's a job well done, it looks like.
Try it again.
And the house is in really bad shape. We don't know yet whether or not it's salvageable. We really bought it for the property, but we got a house too. So we're gonna rip everything out, being careful of any contaminants that are in the home. We actually don't have our camper out here yet either, so we had to sleep in there, and you'll kind of see what's going on there. We put a tent just in case that, we didn't want the creepy crawlies getting to us. And we brought the kitties along as well. They're making it a rather, nice place to live. Let's go ahead and show you around and inside. Looks like we're really calling this the Frankenstein house because it's been added onto so many times, renovated and patched up and duct tape. I'm not even joking. They were duct taping this house together. It is a Frankenstein house. There's been, I think the property was built, I believe, in the 40s or 50s. And since then, different generations of families have been living in it, taking it over, building on it, ripping things out. And so it's in such a dilapidated state. And we're really hoping the framing's in good shape. Let's go ahead and show you the back side of the property. That's where it gets a little bit nasty. This was a Jim Walter home, and you can see there the middle of the porch was actually original. However, the sides were built on later. And then under all this siding is shiplap. So they put these vertical planks as a siding over the shiplap. Over here as well, you can see the entirety of the house has this old school shiplap where it overlaps like that. Some of it's rotten, some of it's in good shape, but I'm hoping we can pressure wash it and still save it. Around all the windows, it's very, very rotted out. So I don't know if we could cut maybe and just put some new planks right there or what, but yeah, some pretty gross stuff. There's probably a total of like 5 AC units in the walls of this. And I guess whenever a window was leaking, they would just tape it up or board it up or do whatever. You can see here, there was actually a blanket over this. And this used to be a window, I guess, but now it just got like old road signs on there and all kinds of nasty stuff. Oh yeah, that's some like laminate for like a bathroom. Wow. So this is actually pretty interesting over here. This is a shed right along the back side of the property. And there's actually what appears to be some sort of cistern. I don't know if it's a well or a cistern or if it's maybe what used to be an outhouse. Maybe they built something over it, but that goes down about 20 feet. There's these concrete, engineered cylinders, I guess, whatever they're called. Goes down about 20 feet right there. I didn't see any water. I just saw a mud bottom. So I don't know if we could kind of renovate that into a well eventually and get off city utilities, but that would be really nice. Bunch of just nasty stuff in there. So here's the back side of the house. This actually used to be a porch, believe it or not. So this was a porch that they enclosed. I think one of the relatives did that at some point, and they didn't do it right at all. There's like T111 siding and some really old windows, and it's shifting around because it wasn't meant to bear any usual weight. I think it was just a little porch, right? So there's going to be some massive foundation issues right there, but everything else shouldn't be in too bad a shape once we get under it. Problem is the crawl space for the house as well, really small. So we're going to have to rip out all the subflooring and then go into the foundation from there. You can see here, this used to be where an old leach field was, but that pipe probably isn't working anymore. Oh, another old AC unit, some rotted, disgusting windows. This whole backside where the porch used to be is probably gonna have to get ripped out. Let's go and show them this side now.
Hello.
Is that a kitty cat? Oh, hello.
See a kitty right there.
Try to show them in here. Look at this. So it looks like they put some wood on this side, but on the inside you can actually see the original shiplap there as well. So, oh, look at those spiders. Show them that.
Oh, that's unfortunate.
Now they're gonna know why we got that tent there to keep them creepy crawlies away.
Kitties love hunting the
They do.
little critters.
Now we got the water and the electric turned on as well, and you know, just gonna make it a lot easier to work out here, be able to wash up and see at night. Let's go ahead and show them this as well. So there's actually hookups for an RV here already. I don't know if that's where they buried a septic tank, and I think you can see this blue pipe right here connecting to a metal pipe is where maybe they kind of renovated all the plumbing to go out to this new septic tank instead of that leach field. But yeah, we got another meter, electric meter. We got water, and then we got the sewer as well for the septic. So we're gonna be putting our camper somewhere over here. This actually used to be a like canopy or a cover for the RV, and so they had it lifted up right here, kind of probably hung out right here, and they parked the RV right there. Bunch of junk in the yard and back there as well. We're gonna show you the back of the property later. You can see that beautiful wisteria. We're probably gonna have to cut a lot of that down, but nonetheless,
Smells beautiful.
smells beautiful, and there's a bunch of really nice property with a creek back there that we'll show you here in a little while. Now, let's go and show you the other shed as well. So this one right here is a little bit nasty. We got a drawbridge. We ever want to dig a moat, but yeah, really nasty in there. Just some stanky stuff going on. But we're probably gonna rip it out, and maybe we'll use any of the lumber if it's in good shape still.
Just a side note. That's kind of creeping me out right there. Those dummy heads.
Oh yeah, definitely, man.
And
Talk loud too.
this is just a box full of hundreds of glasses frames.
All right, so here we are inside of the house, like a trip back in time, right? How's that for glamping? You know, like I said, we don't have the camper out here yet, so we're having to sleep in the tent, but you can see, got a little window unit just built straight into the wall, not the window. Over here is going to be the kitchen, and we got some beautiful kitties. Hi! Just real nasty in here, you know. Came with a fridge and a stove, but we're gonna have to go ahead and get rid of this fridge. The stove we might keep, it's not in too bad a shape, but truth be told, it's probably infested with roaches, so that's not good.
Well, hello.
This is the addition.
Hello, handsome. Who's down there? Mwah. Give the viewers a kiss. Mwah.
So this right here is the porch that was sort of built on later. And there's a massive drop down right here. So, you know, and it's just pretty nasty over here. Let's go and show them the bathroom now. So this is going to be the bathroom in here. Also very nasty, but who knows? Maybe we can save more of it than we think. Yeah, very just kind of stinky in here. All right. Let's go ahead and go over here into the master bedroom.
This window unit, though.
Yeah, I know. Quite nasty. But
Right,
show them the view.
We got a beach towel with some duct tape. Window.
Check out the view, though, right? Be pretty nice if we can end up getting it fixed up. All of our beautiful junk as well.
Yes.
And then let's go ahead and close that up. Got a hot water heater. Hot water heater looks new, so that's good. You know, we don't have to pay for buying a new one and all that. And then in here, this is the master bedroom. The closet as well. I don't know if we're going to be able to get any light in there, but there's actually some exposed framing inside of the closet.
Not picking up.
Maybe it'll lighten up if you get in here. Well, you might not be able to see it too well, but we got some really solid old growth lumber for the framing. And we're hoping that the rest of the house looks like that as well. The windows are going to be rotted out. Everywhere around the windows is going to have water damage and mold and everything. But hopefully, it's not too bad. So let's go and show you the other bedroom, and then that'll be it. This one's probably in the worst shape other than that porch. You can see there the delamination of the wall from the floor and just the pure rot, We ended up kind of boarding off this closet here so the cats can't get in there. We didn't want them hanging out in there because it's nasty. But yeah, it's going to be a fixer-upper. We're going to be ripping it up here shortly. All right, so that's going to conclude part 1 of this series of renovating this Frankenstein house. We got an incredible deal on it. Really excited, really can't wait to show y'all what's soon to come. Subscribe to see more. Not going to be disappointed. There's going to be all kinds of fun, interesting projects going on this property. We're going to be building the shed in part 2. We're going to be cutting down the trees, cleaning them up. We're also going to be breaking down all the other nasty sheds and using the materials to build our shed, and even putting a little barbed wire fence up front.